Mastering the Walden Library for NURS 6003 Success. Imagine gaining a competitive edge in your nursing career simply by mastering library research techniques. The Walden Library holds the key to a wealth of resources that can propel your scholarly and professional journey. Let's explore how you can leverage this powerful tool to achieve your goals. Begin by familiarizing yourself with library databases and catalogs. Effective research strategies are essential to locate high-quality scholarly articles and evidence-based resources. By utilizing Boolean operators and filters, you can refine searches, saving time and enhancing the quality of your assignments. This skill is vital for developing sound academic arguments. Integrating library research into your studies allows you to align with Walden University's mission of scholarly excellence and social change. Set clear academic and professional objectives, using the library to support them. Whether it's organizing research plans or gathering materials for projects, strategic library use is foundational to your success. The library also provides access to professional networks and collaborations. Through its resources, you can join academic discussions, engage with fellow students and faculty, and connect with professional organizations. This network not only enriches your academic experience, but also expands your professional horizons in nursing. Embrace the challenge and transform your academic journey by diving into the wealth of resources Walden Library offers. Start by setting your research goals and exploring the library today. Visit the Walden Library's website and begin accessing the treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you. Your future self will thank you.